what is included in your service and what is explicitly not included. This is very important, no matter of the provider that you are hiring. Simple reason for that. Most of the time, what is going to happen, it's not as much about the provider and their services or you as a brand owner or founder. Literally, there's no communication between. You consider that if they are going to say that they are providing these 5 things, they're also going to provide consulting. They are also going to provide, oh, look, this is what happened. What is your thought on that? Imagine it this way. The moment that you are going to a doctor, and let's say this is a heart doctor, a heart specialist, and they know ins and outs about your heart. How does your heart work and everything that is related to that? And then you're asking them, my hair is not growing properly. Do you think that this has to do with my heart or something like that? Probably not. It's not going to do anything with your heart, but I'm here because I'm a provider. I'm going to listen to. But at the end, what is going to happen is that if you're expecting them to give you a perfect answer to whatever is going on with your hair and whatever, or something like that, they are not going to be able to answer you the questions that you're looking for, right? So they are specialists in everything that is heart related. The same way, what is very important for you to ask before you would even consider a provider, and this is during an interview process, when you're interviewing many providers or many freelancers, many contractors, what is within the scope of your service and what is not, because then you will know clear expectations both on their ends and both on your end.